Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will continue in the chapter number 5. Today we are going to understand the ascending order and descending order. Okay, ascending order means increasing order and descending order means decreasing order. Look at here. See, 11 is greater than 10. एक स्टेप ज़्यादा है. 10 plus 1, 11. 11, 12 is greater than 11. Okay, so we can say 10 plus 2, 12. After 10, 11, 12. Now 10 plus 3 is 30. 11, 12, 13. 13 is greater than 11 and 12. Greater than का मतलब क्या होता है? बड़ा. Okay. Now 10 plus 4, 14. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is greater than 13, 12 and 11. ये तीनों से बड़ा है. Can you observe that 14 is greater than all these three numbers? Then next 10 plus 5, 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 is greater than all these previous numbers, right? Next 10 plus 6, 16. So after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 10 plus 6 is 16. So 16 is greater than all these previous numbers. Now 10 plus 7 is 17. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 is greater than all this previous number. Can you observe that? ये सबसे बड़ा दिख रहा है ना, ऊपर है. So next is 10 plus 8, 18. So we will count like this. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. 18 is greater than all these previous numbers. 10 plus 9 is 19. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 is greater than all this previous number. Okay. 10 plus 10 is 20. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 20 is greater than all this previous number. Can you observe that? Now here each number is greater than the previous one, right? और यहाँ पे हर एक नंबर एक एक स्टेप बढ़ता है. So that means you can see that the increasing order of the number, right? So now we'll move to the decreasing order. That means एक एक step यहाँ पे हर number छोटा होता जाता है, right? Here is a 10. One step down, so it will be 19. Then 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10. So this is the decreasing order, or we can say descending order. You have to remember the spelling of ascending as well as the descending, right? So we have already learned this kind of thing in senior KG. Increasing order number, decreasing order number, right? Backward number. ऐसा सब हमने सीखा था. So this is the backward numbers. Fine. So we are going to do the exercise based on this. Write in ascending order. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. See? Then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See, this two thing you have to complete in homework, but we are going to solve it orally here. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. After 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is the way you will write down the answer yourself. Now write in descending order. Here we have to write down the number in decreasing order. After 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. After 16, 16 से पहले क्या होगा? 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. देखो यहाँ पे 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So this is the way. Rest of the two example you have to do it by yourself. So after before 20, 19, 18, 17 and 16. 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. So this is the way you will write down the number in descending order, or we can say backward numbers. Write in ascending order. All numbers would be written in ascending order. Write in descending order. Backward counting करना है यहाँ पे आपको, ठीक है? So you have to write down the numbers like this in descending order. Now open your textbook, page number 79, where you will find out this activity. Take the group with more objects. In this activity, we have to compare the numbers, right? This is the comparison based of activity. So here these are now 14 pots and these are now 13 pots. So where 14 is greater than 13, so we have to take that. Now you will count the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Here is a 1, 4, 14. Now we will count these leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 16 comes after 14. So this would be greater number, right? So we have to take this. Now we will count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So which has a more object? I think this group has a more object. 11 के बाद 15 आता है ना? So we are going to take that. Every day you have to practice the numbers. आपको एक बार बोलना है. So you will get an idea किससे बाद ये कौन सा number आता है. ठीक है? Now here we are going to count the mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 7, 17. Now count these mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18 and 19. After 17, 19 will 17 के बाद आता है. So this object, this group has more objects. Now turn your page. Here you will find out one more activity. Join in order. आपको पूरा order में join करना है. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So totally क्या बन गया? A big letter Y. Now look at the next page, page number 81, where you will find out some interesting exercise. Write the missing numbers. So here in that case you have to remember all the numbers after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then 16 के बाद 17, 18, 13, 14 and 12. Make sure in the missing number you will get the numbers in decreasing order as well. Okay, आपको backward numbers भी मिल सकते हैं. So be prepared like that. What comes after 18? 18 के बाद क्या? After 18, 19, 20. What comes after 14? 14 के बाद 15, 16. This is the way. What comes before 16? 16 से पहले. Before मतलब पहले. 16 से पहले क्या है? 15. And what comes before and after 9? Before and after. 8 before and after 9, 10. Write numbers before and after 18. Before is 17 and after is 19. Write numbers before and after 10. 10 के before आता है 9 and after आता है 11. Now turn your page where you on the page number 82 where you will find out some of the interesting activity. Bigger numbers, circle the bigger numbers. Okay, here we are going to compare both the number, which one is the bigger one, and you have to circle around it. 11 and 13. So from this chart you can easily find out, here is the 11, here is the 13. Which one is the bigger one? 13 is the bigger one. So we are going to circle on 13. Now 13 and 15. See, compare the 13 and 15. Which one is the bigger one? 15 is the bigger one. 18 and 8. Here is a 18. और यहाँ पे 10 है तो 10 के नीचे 8 आएगा. So 18 and 10. तो 8. तो 18 is the bigger one. 12 and 8. Here is a 12 और 10 के नीचे 8. So 12 is the bigger one. Here is a 17. 10 से पहले आता है 7. तो 17 is a bigger one. 11 and 10. Here is the 11 and 10 comes before it. So we are going to circle on 11. 16 and 6. 16 is the bigger one. 1 and 11. Definitely 11 is the bigger one. 9 and 19. 19 is a bigger one. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज सर्कल द स्मॉलर नंबर. अभी हमें छोटा वाला नंबर मतलब पहले कौन सा वाला नंबर आता है 2 नंबर में से वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. उसको सर्कल कर दो. 20 एंड 10. तो फर्स्ट देयर वुड बी 10. 6 एंड 4. फर्स्ट देयर वुड बी 4. 10 एंड 12. तो पहले क्या आएगा? 10. तो दैट वुड बी द स्मॉलर वन. 11 9. 9 पहले आता है. 9 के बाद 10 11. So 9 is the smaller one. 12 and 2. Definitely 2 will come before. So 15 and 13. 13 is the smaller one. 9 and 10. 9 is the smaller one. 16 and 17. 16 is a smaller one. So this is the way we are going to circle the smaller numbers. Next, on the next page, page number 83, where you will find out the next activity. सर्कल द बिगेस्ट नंबर. सबसे बड़े नंबर को हमने सर्कल करना है. हियर वी हैड ऑलरेडी लर्न द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द बिगर एंड द बिगेस्ट, smaller and the smallest in the chapter number 1. So that concept we are going to apply for the numbers as well. So let's begin with this. Here in this exercise we are going to compare the 3 numbers, right? 12, 15 and 12. We have to circle the biggest one. So look at here, 12, 15 and 20. So obviously 20 is the biggest one. So we have to circle around 20. 10, 5 and 12. तो look at here, 10 उसके नीचे 5 आएगा और यहाँ पे 12. तो definitely 12 is the biggest one. 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. 13 is the biggest one. So you have to circle around this. 19, 18, 17. 19, 18, 17. So 19 is the biggest one. So we have a number. Okay. Here you have to remember the sequence of the number so that you will get an idea. ये अपने आप अंदाज़े से समझ आ जाएगा. 13, 16 and 14. 13, 16 and 14. So definitely 16 is the biggest one. So we have to circle around it. Our next exercise is circle the smallest number. सबसे छोटे नंबर पे सर्कल करना है. 14, 16, 12. तो पहले क्या आता है? 12 सबसे पहले आएगा. 14, 16 and 12. तो 12 सबसे छोटा है. So we are going to circle around it. 15, 7, 20. So 7 comes first. Okay, after 7 there would be 15 और 15 के बाद आएगा 20. 19, 8, 9. तो 8 will come before, right? 9 से पहले आता है. So after 8 there would be 9. 9 के बाद आगे counting के बाद 19 मिलता है. So here is a 1 and here is a 14. Now look at the workbook on the page number 109, where you will find out some understanding of the comparison of number. As I told you, greater than मतलब ये बड़ा. कोई भी नंबर कोई किसी भी नंबर से बड़ा होता है तो हम उसको बोलते हैं greater than this number. And smaller than मतलब छोटा और less than. Okay, we can use any of the phrase for that. सो हियर इज़ अ 16 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 12. तो यहाँ पे आप कंपेयर करो, 16 है वो 12 के बाद आता है, तो दैट मीन्स उसका ये इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में है, तो यहाँ पे बढ़ रहा है. ठीक है. 13 इज स्मॉलर देन 15. आप कंपेयर भी कर सकते हो. दीज आर ना 13 कैंडल्स एंड दीज आर 15 कैंडल्स, तो डेफिनेटली 13 इज स्मॉलर देन 15. हियर इज़ अ 7 एंड हियर इज़ अ 15 शर्ट. ये फुल रैकेट का वो फुल होता है ना, वही है. सो 7 इज स्मॉलर देन 15. डेफिनेटली 15 ज़्यादा होते हैं 7 से. सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट डाउन. स्मॉलर में क्या होगा, यहाँ पे आपको बड़ा नंबर लिखना है, ग्रेटर में आपको यहाँ पे बड़ा नंबर लिखना है. ठीक है, बस इतना याद रखना है. स्मॉलर में सबसे पहले छोटा नंबर आएगा, बाद में बड़ा, एंड ग्रेटर में पहले बड़ा नंबर आएगा, बाद में छोटा. Here is a 14 beats, 14, and here is a 17 beats. So definitely 14 is smaller than 17. Here you have to count each and every object by cutting each one. So here is a 15 sticks and here is a 12 sticks. So 15 is greater than 12. See, greater आया मतलब मैंने बड़ा नंबर पहले लिखा. Here is a 8 triangle, here is a 11. यहाँ पर क्या है, smaller. We had already learned the spelling in the chapter number 1, so you need to understand. Okay, 8 is smaller than 11. Now we have already done the similar kind of exercise, right? In the textbook, put circle around the greater number. So here you will find out the greater number and circle around it. Put triangle around the smaller number. Okay, here in this group you have to find out the smaller number and draw a triangle around it like this. 18 and 8. So 8 is a smaller one, so we are going to this. And here is a 15 and 18. 18 is the greater number, so we are going to circle around it like this. Again, smaller than and greater than, we had already done the similar kind of exercise above, so this would be done in the homework. And turn your page number 110. Here what you have to do in this exercise, count and write the number in the box, and also put tick for the greater number and cross for the smaller number in the box. One example has been done. So in that case we have already done the similar kind of exercise. The difference is that here you have to put a cross in the smaller number, right? Now look at here. Let's I'm going to show you one, and rest of the two example will be done by you. So first of all, we'll count the leaves. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Here is a 14. Now count these leaves. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So definitely 19 is a greater number and 14 is a smaller number. तो उसको हम क्रॉस करेंगे. So similar way you will count the numbers, write down in the box, and take the greater number and cross in the smaller numbers, right? Now look at the next page, page number 111, where you will find out many exercise. Write just preceding number. Preceding number का मतलब होता है before number. Fine. So here 19 before 18, 11 before 10, 14 before 13, 18 before 17, okay, 16 before 15, 15 before 14. So this is the way you will just remember the sequence and write down the numbers. Next question number 25 is write just succeeding number. Succeeding number matlab after number. What is after 13? 14. What is after 19? 20. एग्जाम में मैम ऐसे कुछ भी पूछ सकती है, ठीक है. So 12. What is after 12? 13. What is after 17? 18. What is after 11? 12. What is after 15? 16. So this is the way you will write down the after numbers. Now question number 26, write the middle number. So in that you have to write down the between number, right? 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 10, 11, 12. So this is the way you will write down the middle number. Now look at the next question. Question number 27. Put circle around the greater number. बड़े नंबर पे सर्कल करना है. We have already done the similar kind of exercise in the textbook. So this would be done by you yourself. Number 28. Put triangle around the smaller numbers. Smaller numbers पे आपको triangle करना है. Put circle around the greatest number. This would be done by you in a practice. So and question number 3, put triangle around the smallest number. So we have done this kind of exercise in the textbook. I had explained in very detail it, and this would be done by yourself. So this is it for this session. Next time we will continue in the chapter number 5. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.